Hi guys, in this video we will make a door. Iron door which can be opened. As you know, an iron door can still be opened by a lever button or a pressure plate, but in this video it will be different. It will be a secret pressure plate which no one can and so you are the only one who will know how to open this place. So here I have this place made of smooth quartz. Wait, sorry. So look, if I just go down a little, here I have some diamonds and some gold. So I really want to protect that. I don't want to lose that. Just wait, I'll get back out. I really don't want to lose that. And as you know, there are people who like to rob you. Hey, people, why do you like to rob me? I'll punch you in the face. So, to make this, what you need is some grass in case you punch out the wrong block. Then some of the blocks which your house is made of. For me, that is smooth quartz block. And just in case you punch out a wrong block too. Then you need some button. Doesn't matter what kind of, just a button that can be pressed. A bow. I'm not sure if this will work with a crossbow, but just take a normal bow. And then I'm not sure if you can see, but it's what do you call it? Pressure plate. Doesn't matter what kind of pressure plate. For me, I have took dark oak pressure plate. You can take any one you want. And most importantly, iron door, or else, wait, how are you supposed to make what are you supposed to open if you don't have an iron door? So first you're gonna, oh wait, it's night, seriously, wait, sorry, I'm just putting a command /time set day. If you don't know how to make a day from night, just say /time set day. And if you do that, then say hello today. Now what you need to start off by is punch out 2 blocks. Oh wait, no. Just give me some time. Okay, that works. First you want to punch out 2 blocks, which you can see I have. Look, I have. Now you want to put an iron door, but you can't just place the iron door like that. This is the important part of when you place your iron door. You need to go inside instead of outside. So you need to be inside the thing you're protecting, and then place your door. Then when you go out, you will see that it's like inside a bit. I know that doesn't look that good, but it's just how it's meant to be for this. Now you need to break a block there. Oh wait, no. So that's my door. So that's one block. One block above your door, you want to punch that out. Or mine that out, whatever you want to call it. And you need to get your pressure plate and put it there. And yeah, looks like I didn't need the cross. Maybe you did, but I didn't. So how this works is... Oh wait, before that, you might want to make a ceiling to hide that pressure plate of yours, and I'm just gonna do that. Guys, also you might wanna cover that up so no one knows what is actually inside. So yeah, just cover that up. Oh wait, I need to go a bit towards it. Now as you can see, when you stand, the door opens. That's something everyone should know by now. So this also gives you some shadow. So here you don't want to kill mobs with your bow. What you want to do is, so like you can't go all that way after you press your pressure plate. So what you need to do? So you need to aim not at the door. Oh wait, that's the wrong spot. Up there. So, oh wait, why isn't it working? Oh wait, yeah, just keep it like that, then really need to make sure it's on the top. Then this is what you will see, the door opens. And now you can just fly and get your arrow back which you shot. And the door will close. What is, and yeah, to get out you might want to place your button. That's all you needed the button for. Okay, button place. Okay, that works. I'm just gonna go with, whoops. Oh. Wait, this is kind of hard, so I'm gonna... Guys, now I'm out of my house. So I just wanted to show you what's actually happening here. So you don't have to do this, but this is just showing you what's actually happening here. So if I just cover that up again, yeah. So what's happening here is, look, you get your bow, now shoot it there. So as you can see, the door opens as soon as you shoot it. This is because, as you can see, the arrow which shoots actually lights up our pressure plate. Look, that's what allows it to open the door. So I know this is a bit too easy for you hackers, so you might want to include some extra things. Oh wait, yeah, that works. Bye guys, and see you in my next video. Ta-da!